Hello, once again, it's your senior counselor back on your screen again. Today we are going to talk about 5 reasons why women go for artificial buttocks. Yes, I'll point out some of the reasons why women go for artificial buttocks, and then after that, I will give you 2 effects of these artificial buttocks and some of the reason why. Yes, I have already mentioned the reason why some of them go for artificial buttocks. The first one is genetic factors. You see, some of the genetic factors include you could see some of the women, they will be born with flat buttocks. Some of them uh, don't like the way their buttocks is. So because they were born with no buttocks, sometimes some people born with no buttocks, and because of that, those people need to get those artificial buttocks if they grow up, or sometimes even at their childhood they need to get this artificial buttocks so quickly because of genetic factors. They need to get those artificial buttocks quickly as soon as possible, so that to make sure they will get their right buttocks in which if they grow up. The second one is to enhance their body image. Yes, to enhance their body image in such a way that some people, although they have the buttocks, they could see that their buttocks is not up to what Sister Afua or Sister Ama also have. So quickly they want to go in and then make sure that they will get Essex, or they will get more than what they are expecting from or what other people or other men also prefer. So quickly that because of that, because they want to enhance or to get more beautiful than Sister Ama, quickly you could see that Sister Ama or Sister Fua will quickly go for this artificial buttocks quickly. Yes, a lot of people, trauma and injury. That is my third point, trauma and injury. Yes, because life is full of problems, and life is full of trouble, and then so on and so forth. Because a lot of people may have even accident, because of where some people will be injured because of so many things. Somebody will go for this injury because injury has happened within somebody's, or a car accident or whatever. You could see that he or she may also have a damage on her buttocks. So quickly you could see that this lady or this woman need to go for artificial buttocks. So these are one of the reasons whilst you could see that a lady will rush quickly into this buttocks, artificial buttocks. The fourth one is career and professional reason. Yes, you could see most of our ladies in this modern, you could see that ladies modern, and then those people who always be on stage show their body in terms of fashion, and then in terms of show the new trend in a system. You could see that if you don't have those body shape like a Coca-Cola shape, you cannot even become let me say a successful modeling or whatever. So because of that, you could see most of ladies will quickly run because of their career, and then because of their profession being on television, and then people will be talking about them always. Because of that, you could see that they'll rush quickly and then go to this artificial bottle, so that their body will look very very nice, and as she or doing this presentation of modeling on television, it will attract buyers. Yes, will make their brand will move forward and then keep on increasing. The last one is empowerment. Yes, a lot of people don't have that confidentiality because they don't believe themselves. That is the self-esteem. They don't believe themselves. They don't have those power within them So because of that, they need to go for this artificial insemination, go for this artificial buttocks, which will make them have that confidentiality and then classify themselves as a woman among women. So because of all these things, you could see that they will rush quickly into this artificial insemination or go for this artificial buttocks. Let's go ahead and then see or listen to some of the psychological, mental, and health factors on this thing. Yes, because you have gone for artificial something which does not even belongs to you. Some of them, if the doctor or let me say the person who is doing this artificial buttocks, if this guy or this doctor couldn't perform this surgery well, this pain you continue to have pain until thy kingdom come. Yes, and even psychologically, you could see that you are not even, you could see you have taken something which does not even belongs to you. Within you, you could see that all whatever you are having or what something part of you does not even belongs to you. And this psychological trauma will continue to harm you or continue to even affect you until thy kingdom come. Let's go ahead and see some of them. Yes, some of the things sometimes they use to even to implant those things they use to do those implants for these ladies buttock. Some of them are not even original, even though if the thing is even original, it does not even fit to something natural. Some years to come, you could see that you have even rotten bottles. We have been seeing all these videos elsewhere. So some of them are not even fit to our system. Some of them are not good for even human consumption. So sometimes these artificial bottles will get to some certain standard. You could see that it's not even good for humankind. Yes, let's go ahead and then see some of the psychological effect in it. It will get to a time you could see that Job Botos, which was very healed and Bra Kwame, and then Sister Afia recommended to his brother, it will get to a time you could see that that artificial bottle will start shrinking, will start reducing, and then Bra Kwame, because of your bottles, Bra Kwame get engaged with you, get married to you. Because of that, you see, Bra Kwame will move from this type of relationship or will quickly even move from this marriage you call yourself or you call him your husband. This psychological effect will harm you or it will destroy your life wherever you find yourself. You can call senior counselor on +233 54 38 70 990. You can call senior counselor again +233 54 38 70 990. It's WhatsApp and at the same time a phone call. You can call senior counselor at any time if you are in need of any help with these artificial bottles. You just call and then we can counsel you, have one-on-one counseling so that you can have those psychological trauma, and then those people who are even ready to go in take the side effect and then see. Although today you'll be looking beautiful today, but tomorrow it will be something different in your life. Senior counselor will come back to your screen again with another wonderful and then nice discussion, of course. See you another time. Senior counselor. Bye bye.